see this harmony. Dangote, see this harmony. Oh, Dangote, see this harmony. Dangote, see this harmony. As the girl do the enter body. As the girl do the enter body, oh. As the girl do the enter body, oh. As the girl do the enter body, Dangote, see the harmony. Oh, Dangote, see the harmony. Dangote. You shallow pa me. Shall not be my speaker then. Look at back. Radio. You shallow pa me. Come here. Well. Then you just carry my property, they go lick it back. Oh. Daddy, calm down now. Oh, well, calm down. Oh, this one not be speaker. Speaker that they sent from me from their abroad. Now you just display for outside. And you don't see go carry my phone come on. Oh, sorrow. Lick it back, you want to sell my property. I don't want to sell any property. Just calm down first. I should calm down. You shallow me. Oh, lick it back. Make I go come outside small. Make I go pluck leaf. Make I take care because I don't know the kind of cough when they the atmosphere. Make I treat myself. Now the keeper don't come. You don't go carry another chair. The keeper, what's happening? Oh God. That you shout too much. I shout too much. You look like you're coming out. I shouting. See that the way it's there. I'm doing something here. You can see I'm trying to set up for a party. Oh, you are setting up for a party? Yes, now. Wow, good one. Oh, which party you want to? Oh my God. I only keep by us war. You were seeing the stay from my house. You have the right to want to do party. Huh? Oh, I never reach when you go take come out from my house without returning home. I never reach. I only keep by. That you want me to leave my inheritance behind? God forbid. God forbid. What inheritance? I will never do that kind of. Oh, sorrow, agony, and pain. Oh, well, no problem. For your information, you see this house, so I don't will to a motherless baby home. All those people will not get papa and mama. I don't will to them. Make them turn to charity home. Because you are not responsible, Likiba. The question one they ask you now, why did you bring my property house? Hi, Likiba. That is it. Firstly, let me tell you, cannot will it to mother. If you will it to motherless, they'll still give it to you and motherless. How is it fatherless now? I'll be here. Secondly, I want to set for party. You came at the wrong time. You have come when the party doesn't enter body. As the party didn't enter body, enter body. But you came so early. You don't even wait for party to start. Oh, look about which party you want to do. Because I know when be birthday. And I know we are not celebrating anything. So which party you want to do now? You see now? You see now? When I need to tell you, Daddy, you don't know important people. You say let people start again. You don't know important people. Do you know the enoge of Yan? Yeah. Yes now, Osta Vian now. Oh, Osta Vian where they are abroad. Yes now, the enoge of Osta Vian. Oh, they don't get enoge for that side. So Igbo people don't they get enoge too? Yes now. You don't know him. Do you know Evans? I say Martin Iggy. Evans. Yes now. Oh, Evans. Hey, they Australian. I know. So you don't know what's going on with Oh, wait, so how advance when they for their abroad take concern bringing out my property and house work?
Today is his wife's birthday now. Today is his wife's birthday.
His wife's birthday.
Hey, what is that name? You don't know that his wife now.
Oh, today is Madam Jennifer Ayesemate Ige.
Yeah, today is the wife of the Inoge birthday.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I have to start to the great body here now.
Wow. That's why you were packing my property out.
Yes, now.
You want to hold party for those that is in abroad.
Yes, you do it in
Oswald. Oh, you now you dey Nigeria. You dey forbid to go the Austria Vienna. Now. Oh, that one is not even an issue. Wife will not be your own. You want host party for her. Oswald. Oh, you dey forbid to marry. Make them see host party for your own wife. Full of 40. You never have. Me now they say make you open marry now. Just leave my house now. You not fit. You want to be hosting party for a Nogie of Austria Vienna. The wife you want host party for another man wife. If I born like I not blame you. I not see you blame. Now the born by mistake that happened to me now I blame. If not, if I know say if I know that you will be like this, even when I abort you, they will rather abort you.
I don't understand. Were you born by mistake?
And carry my property and house. Carry my property.
That is it, Don Steve. You don't know Don Steve. He'll be angry with you.
I know Don Steve. I know him. And Don Steve, I know say he love his wife. And today now the wife, but they almost forgot. Thank God you remind me. But it's not in your own duty for you to be the one to host party. Oh, they send you to host party. If I put like Bebako.
I did that. Celebrate me. Now you celebrate people that are celebrating. Celebrate them. Whenever they are there, you not celebrate.
So people they celebrate people now. You now they send you. Nobody send your celebration because your celebration is mockery into humanity. Oswald. You don't enter us.
I am not coming again.
You are not coming again. Make you just get there.